Hey everybody, it's Neil, and let's check out this shirt I got here today. This is an army green, size large. Let's check this out, see what this looks like. Check this out. Oh, there's paper. This is what it's gonna look like, and let's see what it looks like on the Neil. So we'll open this up here. We're gonna go over the head. It's kind of made out of a rayonish or something material, so it's kind of not really a wrinkly one. Might have a couple of creases from just having it packaged up and taking it out this minute. But it looks really, wow, look at this nice looking shirt. So this is what it looks like here. I think it said it was army green, right? Army green. Me being colorblind, I don't know exactly what army green is, but it's a button-up shirt. And I don't know if you want to see the bottom here. This is it. It's kind of got the angled stuff at the bottom for button-ups. It's kind of cool. Not sure where I'll be wearing this. I don't dress up too much, but maybe if I head out on a date or something, I guess I can wear it out. But look at that, nice shirt. I like it. It's comfortable. It's a little big, but I mean, I probably could have gotten away with a medium, probably. But I'm about 185 pounds, and this one's size large, so. But I like it. It seems good. I'll wear it. Thumbs up.